Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought.
Money gang, money gang, money gang. This week, y'all, I made this design for my niece. She graduated from Union this year. And congratulations to all the 2022 graduates. I got other graduate shirts to make. Y'all graduation shirts was good to me. Now, I did go ahead and pre-cut everything for this video. I didn't want to go ahead and waste time with that, so I'm just going to really be showing y'all the shirts that were being made. Yeah, I had a little assembly line going. I'm gonna show y'all how my assembly line was going. I was working it, but here you see everything was cut out, and then her colors was burgundy and silver. And of course, y'all already know I'm gonna leave y'all the link in the description box. So make sure y'all check out the vinyl. Most of it is, from my people HTV Run. No, I do not get sponsored by them, as y'all can see. I need more followers, so help us out with more followers, okay? And subscribers. Man, hit that, baby. But I really enjoy making these shirts for my niece. And I'm going to go ahead and show y'all. Y'all know how much definitely, you gotta sanitize your hands. Always sanitize your hands. And now, these are some new shirts that I've gotten from All Day Shirts. It's a AF from AF. Now, they were all 100% polyester because I was planning on sublimating her actual design at first. But the Epson printer, I'm just not good with these printers. It broke on me. We're not even going to get on that. I'm working on it. So, hopefully, I'll be sublimating again soon. But anyways, that's just another story. I really like the material of the shirt, but it didn't work out for me with these shirts. And I'm going to show you at the end of the video what I'm talking about. So as you can see, I went on and cut everything out right here to be ready for the shirts. I pre-pressed my shirts. Now these I do different than my 100% cotton. So with these, because they're 100% polyester, I go ahead and I'll set them at 350 for 40 seconds. And I pre-press for 10 seconds. Now, y'all ain't gonna lie, this jam, man, because the design was for sublimation, it irritated me doing it piece by piece. But I was excited to do it because of the reason I was doing it. Money making Monico get the job done, boo boo, every day, all day, period. But push it up and do it twice on there because I don't have a 12 by 12. Then y'all know. And then I had to deal with butcher paper. Look at it down. The butcher paper, I was scared because it was polyester. So I still use butcher paper because I always use butcher paper with my polyester shirts. So that irritated me. The paper irritated me. With the transfer paper irritated me. But I got the job done. I had to make 19 of these shirts, and whew, money making was going. I was going, girl. I was going. That's all I could say. Sister girl was going late at night in my tight little craft. Now, I ain't gonna lie. Already having this stuff already pre-cut, it helped me better with the filming and everything. Oh my goodness. I was so happy. Even then, that part was easy. I'm not even gonna lie. I was happy about that. That was the best decision ever. So when you have a big order, go ahead, get your vinyl, pre-cut it, already have it, weed it, and then do your work. Because y'all see my simulation line. I was just sliding them over and just moving them and getting ready for the next one while I was pressing down for the 40 seconds. And within 40 seconds, I was able to at least cut at least 2 or 3 of the pieces that I needed for the next shirt and move forward like that. Now, y'all know me. I'll give y'all a lot of music around this time, but I just keep getting copyright and I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not using any music that should be copyrighted, but I'm getting copyrighted. So y'all gotta hear my driest voice. Period. Like, Just hear me all day, every day. It's me. Money make Monique. Making that money. Oh, this one? Nah, yeah, I messed up on this one a little bit, and I'm gonna show y'all where I messed up. But I was fixing it. You see how I was weeding it? I took that little weed pen, and I was getting in there like, yeah, slide in. Be gentle with it. Be gentle with it. And it was like, voila. You could barely see it because I pressed it again. And I don't think I videoed me pressing it, but I did press it down a little bit. And I made this my brother's shirt because he ain't care. Like, I'm watching this and voice doing my voiceover with y'all because I don't know what else to do. Now that I do it now, I gotta do it like this. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do because I be liking the music on YouTube and I watch YouTube. I can't tell y'all the reason why it's so late with my video is because my niece took forever getting me some graduation pictures. So I did get some graduation pictures that I will have at the end of the video to show y'all how my store was and how the shirts was. But I'm going to try to play some music for y'all. But it ain't going to be that much. And I guess I'm going to start telling y'all some little story time about my life. Or show my face a little bit different. I don't know what I'm going to have to do about the music. I'm still trying to research it. I think I have found out a solution, but it's going to take me a little bit more time to find good music so I start getting copyright. Shit, we ain't doing this for free. We try to do this for that money, because what we do, we chase that money.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane. Making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss of making change, I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness.
On the polyester shirts, I wanna be greatness. Getting on my jeans, I just wanna be greatness.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in
Before we go, I'm gonna give you a back end of the story. Now, I did these shirts the night before her graduation. I'm gonna tell you, I worked my ass off. I did them all. I didn't go to bed till like 2 o'clock that morning. Next morning, I had to get up. It was raining like hell, so we all couldn't get to the graduation. There was just so much going on that day. But I was able to get pictures after the graduation for y'all to see how they came out. And it was just, I had to go get my son from school that same day. It was a whole lot going on. I was so happy I was able to imagine. Was able to get her sister to come over to get me filmed at least doing the shirt because I try to get y'all a vision of every angle of me doing shirts or any craft that I do in that matter. But yes, when I say this day was hectic, my niece was very happy though and pleased, and I was pleased because girl, Monique was working money gang, money gang. I was chasing it. I was chasing it. I was doing the daggone thing. And there we go. Me and my son took pictures with our shirts on. And then my sister-in-law sent us some pictures of the kids with their shirts on. We did our best. Now this right here is a stall that I did the stall that I made for her. At first, y'all, I made it wrong. I forgot to mirror it. And I wanted to see y'all where I made it a mistake. We had to order a brand new one. And I had to end up doing it all over again. And it came out good. Like when I redid it, I resized it and everything. So I was real happy with the outcome of the last one. I did have a little bit of Earls. As you'll see where the Panthers at, it's just a little bit on the go. But other than that, you couldn't really tell. And I was happy for my first time. But thank y'all again. Love y'all. Alright, so this is the end of the video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. I am going to show y'all some pictures of my niece with her store on. Her graduation picture. She looks so cute. What's up, Money Gang? Before we go, I just want to show y'all how my shirt was. This was the first time that I did do it on a polyester shirt that I did get. Now, I told you I got these shirts from All Day Shirts. I love her product. I just didn't like the way my transfer paper did right here. After I washed it, it started getting little lines, and I would not do that no more. Only reason I went this out this way because my sublimation printer messed up on me. I don't know what I did, but believe me, your girl is on it. I will be sublimating soon. But I just wanted to show y'all how the shirt look and what I didn't like about it. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think. Am I doing good? Do you want to see more? Do you want me to go a little slower? Let me know. Help a sister out. I appreciate y'all checking me out every week. Next week, my video will be dedicated to my niece because it was her birthday. So I'm going to show y'all how I did her outfit. It was the bomb. Peace. Love y'all. Have a wonderful one.